Good afternoon. Welcome back to the CAMX Demo Zone. My name is James Jones. Along with Barry Wilson-Smith, we are technical support managers for Composites 1. Today we're bringing you a demo on a innovative prepreg tooling system. So what we're doing is we're making a carbon fiber epoxy tool. It's good for high temperatures. We already have a female mold that Barry is working in. It's kind of difficult to see. He's already started putting in what we call bootlaces. So it's a 2x2 twill carbon fiber prepreg material cut in thin strips, about 1 inch, and they're cut on the bias. The reason we cut them on the bias is so they can stretch into the corners and conform to the molds. So Will has one of the bootlaces here. It's cut on the bias. He's going to stretch it a little bit. You can see how it can really conform. When we do a debulk, the bag is going to press the bootlace into the inside corners of the mold. So all the inside corners of our pattern have bootlaces on them, so we don't get any porosity in the surface of our mold. So this surface ply is going to give us a better surface finish for our part. It's got a 50 gram per square meter glass, dry glass on the surface, and that goes down against the mold. When we cure the part, the resin is going to wet this out, and we'll get a very nice surface finish. These systems cure at about 140 Fahrenheit, so we don't need very high temperature requirements from our master models. So Barry's using a variety of tools to help the material conform to the corners. We want to make sure that the fabric's tucked in well and that we don't have any fibers bridging through those corners. So if you saw the prepreg demo we did earlier today, this is a very similar layup to that sort of system. We're going to come back to this in about half an hour, but now what we're going to show you is the debulk. So the bootlaces in this first surface ply, we run a debulk cycle. So what Barry's doing now is he's